Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme. It was dropped on October 25th, 2018. This is week number 10. This one, the one that I got, it is the Killer's long sleeve tee. I got the pale yellow color, size medium. Price is $58 plus $10 shipping plus tax is $5.95. So the total is $73.95. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Too bad there's no line for you to pull, pre-cut line. So I had to rip it off. Wow, somehow the Supreme, the box logo, it seems darker. Let's go ahead and get this open. Wow. Nice. I got two stickers. One is the box logo Killer stickers. I thought they only give out when you purchase in store only, but I guess I'm a lucky guy. And the other one is red box logo. See? I'm not sure if I could tell on the camera. Somehow this one, it become darker. So whoever mixing the color didn't do it right. Because this one is the original color for the Supreme. That's why when I open it up, I notice somehow this red is much darker. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Nice, nice, nice. This one is the pale orange color, pretty strong. 100% cotton made in USA. And normally you will have the barcode on the back with the description, the size, and then the color. So as you see, the Killer long sleeve tee, that is the barcode. Fall winter 18 T4, and then pale yellow color, size medium. Give you guys whatever that's printed on the back, so you guys could do some legit check in case. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Ugh. Wow, nice. I want to wrinkle the stickers, put that aside. So it says the Killer, 喋血双雄. Give you a close-up look. So this the background seems like it's a Hong Kong city. And this is 100% cotton. I don't think there's any label inside since the label is on top. Yep. And this is double stitching. Let's go check out on the back. Wow. So it says he looks determined without being ruthless. There's something heroic about him. He doesn't look like a killer. He comes across so calm. Acts like he has a dream. Eyes full of passion. And then you got this black box logo, small box logo right on the back in the middle section. Okay. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the try on video. Alright? Like always. Peace. Alright, YouTube. So I'm going to do a try on video for you guys real quick. So let's go ahead and get it started. Right here with the paint, the blue ink.